This is the part that we forgot that we're coming back to. It's called rivets. And rivets, let me see the rivets, baby. Rivets look like this. And they go in this little machine gun thing. Well, not a machine gun, but you know what I mean. They go in like that. He pushes them in, and then he's going to crank them down. Right? Is that what you call it? Yeah. Cranking down? Not exactly what goes on. I'm not sure how exactly happens on the inside, but something happens and it makes them stay. And he's going to crank it, and you'll hear it go pop really loud. That's the sound. And then you know that one's done. And then you break off the little stem. And then he's going to do the next one. You can do it, baby. You can do it. You got it. One more, one more. Yeah. Pop. It's a good sign. So that's how rivets go. That was the last of that thing. So he's got 2 more sets of rivets to do, and we're gonna call it a day. Tomorrow we'll do the other side. Hopefully when it's not so hot out. So now I'm really signing off. All right, bye.